Hello, Jake's Fish Tanks. Well, I did it. I turned my Biocube back into a saltwater tank. Probably noticed some differences. I gutted it, ripped the rim off, added an overflow in return, and a 10-gallon sump with a refugium. Figured I'd give the saltwater thing a try. First saltwater tank. It's been set up for about 2 months now, and seems to be doing pretty good. Fish have only been in it for, I don't know, 3 weeks or so. And my corals about, I don't know, about the same. I got everything about the same time, sorta. Got, I think this is a branching hammer. Got some mushrooms that were on the rocks when I got it. A bunch of Zoa, Duncan, some GSP, green star polyps. But I'm actually most proud of the tank itself. Never thought it would look this good, but it wasn't as easy as I thought either. All the videos I watched, they made it look so easy. Wound up, while I was removing the rim, the back sheet of glass, I wound up cracking, which wasn't too bad. I think it cost me $13 to replace it. But that's it. I think it looks pretty good. Everything's coming together. I would show you how bright everything gets when I dim the lights, but my tablet does not handle the blue light very well. I mean, that's about, you don't want me to go any less, because then everything kind of starts this purple color. But let's see how the saltwater world treats me. Oh, there it is. 29-gallon Biocube, gutted the hell out of it. It's not quite a Biocube anymore. Well, alright, y'all. Till next time. God bless.